So this is kind of like our first Techno in Buffalo PSA. I get a ton of emails and comments on YouTube, and the biggest question I always get is which phone should I buy? Should I get this phone over that phone? Should I wait? So we're doing a PSA, so I can answer all these blanket questions. Now is a really bad time to buy a phone. Now being like the middle of January 2017, very bad time with the one caveat, if you're gonna buy an iPhone. If you're gonna buy an iPhone, now's a fine time. It's after September, go buy an iPhone. If you're looking at anything other than an iPhone, don't do it right now. Wait a little bit. So here's why. Mobile World Congress is coming the end of February. We're expecting new phones from Sony, Xiaomi, Huawei. We're expecting Samsung to announce the S8, although they said that's going to be coming sometime in March or April. The G6 is coming. There's a ton of new phones coming out, like especially huge amount of new phones coming out and getting announced over the next 3 to 5 weeks, even if you don't want to buy one of those phones. The previous phones that are out now most likely will get a discount. You don't want a G6, G5 is going to have a sale, probably the V20 as well. New technologies are coming. Wait to see what it is, to see what discounts come on existing hardware, or maybe something's going to strike your fancy. There should be a ton of new stuff. Mobile World Congress highlights, I think, are going to be the G6, which looks to be absolutely baller. LG appears to have ditched the modular design from the G5, which is probably a thumbs up good move in favor of a metallic. At least the leaks are true, awesome build. Xiaomi and Huawei supposed to be bringing the thunder as well. And then a few weeks after that, we'll finally see Samsung's Galaxy S8, which now has an 8-point test for batteries to make sure it's not going to explode. So moral being, do not buy a phone right now. Don't do it. Just wait. I know it's tough. You keep scrolling and reading articles and watching videos on the phones. I do the same thing, and I want to buy it. I want that immediate gratification, but you'll be rewarded if you can just wait a little while. Trust me. Hi, I'm John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo. 1 in 3 people are afflicted with buying phones too early atosis. Avoid the awkward conversations with loved ones. Don't have to call ex-girlfriends to let them know. Don't buy smartphones right now. It's a really bad time. This has been a message from your friend John Rettinger.